Now we shall discuss about law of variable proportion. And it clear from its name, law of variable. Mean it varies. Fixed and variable both factors. Okay. So we can define the law of variable proportion says when more and more unit of variable factors are combined with fixed factor at initial stage production increases, then decreases, and then later on comes to negative. It's clear from its graph too. There is no need to climb, we can see directly. The first stage we can see TP increases at MP also decreases. Then TP increases at decreases. MP decreases. And whenever TP declines, and same factor we can understand with table also. There are two factors and they both have the different tendency. As Land says, fixed factor, that's not going to be changed. And according to definition, we can see the proportion is variable 1:1. TP n minus 1. 30 minus 10.
20.
40 minus 30.
10.
So same manner MP can be calculated. Okay. So there is no need to cram anything with table or with the tendency of the graph. We can understand this concept. Right? Is there any issue? So we can simply understand at initial stage of production, first stage we can see the MP rises 10 to 20. It means increasing return to a factor is going on. Then we are not going to be changes in fixed factor, every time variable with same efficiency we are being changed. So we have to develop our understanding skill. Every time fixed factor is fixed. Clear? Variable is changing with same efficiency. What one labor can do, the same efficient labor will be next unit and same will be till that we are just increasing the production. Clear? Accordingly the producer decide when he has to stop his production, and that topic will be covered with the next topic, cost. Right?